Hi guys, and welcome to Beauty Cakes, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. My name is Debbie, and for today's video we are going to be doing a Sephora haul. If I can find my box. Sephora, because that's what I'm doing right now. I'm hauling instead of doing beauty boxing openings. So I guess let's just go ahead and jump right into it, because honestly I'm really excited, because I've been like tracking my package just like everyone does when they order off of Sephora. And I can't wait any longer. All right. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and go over, I'm like looking at everything because it's all in front of me. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and go over is like all the samples that I got. That's the one thing that I do love about Sephora, is like all the samples and stuff. And like, you know, you get to choose them. So I got my Sephora Rouge 2018 little thing, and it's just a brush. I'm not really that excited about it. So I got that. And then I got 3 samples. If I can find the other one. I feel like I'm like, all right. Can we do this? Hold on, guys. I have to find it. All right. Now that I found my samples, I got the NARS like lipstick little sample, and it comes with like 8 different types of lipsticks. And I thought the cute thing about this is that it has my sister-in-law's name in here, Raquel, and then my name is like right underneath hers. I thought that was cute. And then the next thing I got was the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter like sample. I just thought it was cute, and my shade is 340. I just thought it looked cute, so I requested it. So my shade is 340, so this would be like cute to like if I'm going somewhere for like a day or something. And then I don't know, maybe I'll help someone find their shade. So it comes with the primer, 150, 220, 340, and 420. And I am the shade 340, in case you were wondering. And then the next one that I got, and I just dropped something. The next one that I got was the Marc Jacobs one. And it's same like the Fenty Beauty. It came with the primer and then 3 different shades. I will try this one. It's the number tan. But I really don't know if it's going to match my skin tone right now. But we'll see. Then the next thing that I got with my VIB points was the Beauty Blender Cleanser. They had the liquid one. I always get the liquid or the solid one when I have enough points, or if it's for sample, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Then they were like doing this thing where you could get you get 30 sample foundations. You just type in like light, medium, or dark. And I got the dark ones because the medium ones were not going to work for me. And my hair is just like really big today. So I got it came with the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. It just comes like that. And then I also got the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation, which I do own and love. And then the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. That looks like that. So I am excited to try these. Hopefully they do work for me and they are like, you know, the right color. And then I'm like really excited, and I have everything anywhere. And I took these out because I'm going to like swatch them. But I got the 2 of the Stila. I'm looking for the other one. 2 of the Stila little liquid, what are these called? Liquid eyeshadow kits. And they just, I mean, this is the packaging, and then they're like the little minis. And I really think that this is a good idea, or like a good way to like try them. Or you know, if you like them, you know, because I wouldn't really go through a whole thing of glitter or whatever, because I have so much eyeshadow anyways. And I believe like one of them in the full size is like $24, and then you get all 3 of these for $25. So I think it is a really good deal. So I got the On My Stars and the All That Shimmers kit. So I got a total of, got stuff flying everywhere. I got a total of 6. So let me go ahead and swatch them for you guys. So this one is Vivid Smoky Quartz. Put that one right here. It's like a copper kind of metallic one. And then the next one is Kitten, which I don't know if I have. No, I do have Kitten, but they look different. Because this is the kitten that I have before, and then this is the one that I have now. I don't know, it looks different, but no, it's the same. It's just a pinky metallic-y kind of color. And then the next one is, what did I just do? Is Starlight, which I'm going to swatch right there. These look similar in the swatch, but this one is more like of a pinky tone, and this one is more of a golden, like a light golden tone. And then I got the other three. So the other three are more glittery versus these are metallic-y. So this one is Gold Goddess. And that's like, it's like a golden shimmer. It is a golden shimmer. Debbie, come on, get it together. It's really pretty, actually. It's really pretty. It's giving me trophy wife vibes. And then the next one is Kitten Karma, which I believe that I also have somewhere in this makeup mess. But it's just like a rose gold kind of glitter color right there. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh my God, they're so pretty. And then the next one is Diamond Dust, which sounds like me. That sounds like something I'd wear. I'm trying to see if I can swatch this correctly. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. And it's like a silvery kind of glitter. No, it is a silvery glitter. All right, so gold, pink, silver. Those are really pretty. I'm like actually really excited to wear these. And then, all right, so that was that. Then the next thing I got was an eyeshadow palette, but it's like a mini eyeshadow palette because I've been overdoing it with the eyeshadow palettes. But I got the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. I've been like watching and like wanting this thing for a while, but I'm always like, no, I'm not going to wear it. But I have been like, you know, really liking purple and blue eye looks. And then I also this palette was calling my name. So I bought it. Okay. I bought it. I wanted it. I've been wanting it for a long time. So I bought it, and the colors are just beautiful. And I've swatched it in stores, and I cannot wait. I want to do this to my face right now because I cannot wait till Friday so I can go and do some like crazy stuff to my eyes. Like, you know, put some yellow and some glittery purple and pink in there. Like, I can't wait till Friday. I'm about to, like, people are going to be like, what happened? I'm going to be like, I wanted to wear this palette. Next, because that was a lot, I got the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. And I already opened it because it was really hard to open, okay? The packaging that it came in, this tape was like serious. And this thing is heavy. Don't know what this mascara is made of. But it claims to give you volume. You're going to be naturally lit. And it has a puff brush. I don't know. But I kind of can't wait to try it. It looks really cute. The packaging is adorable. I'm such a horrible person. I bought this because the packaging was adorable. That's basically what this video sounds like. And then next I got the Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder. Hourglass Veil, whatever you call it. This stuff, I got in the mini because I have too many setting powders. And Hourglass is expensive, so I think the mini costs like $18. Also, I will leave everything that I bought along with the price in the description box below. So yeah, I got that. And then the last thing, just to make sure. Yes, no, one more thing after that. So I also got the, what is this? Fenty Beauty 2 Lil Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipsticks. And I got it in the, I know one is Griselda because I have that one. And I also have that one in the mini version. I love it. So I was like, it's okay to have two. And the color Spanked, which I have not tried, but I have seen, and it looks really pretty. So I'm excited. I really do love these lipsticks, and especially if you can get them like in the mini sizes, because I mean, I'm sure every girl has a lot of lipstick, but These are so good. Like the formula is so comfortable. They last a really long time and they look beautiful on the lips. So these are definitely worth it. If you can get this kit, I would. Griselda is like such a beautiful color. It's like a purpley, no, what is it? It's like a dark burgundy type color. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. I'm so glad winter is coming so you can wear those like dark, bold lips again. And then the last and final thing that I got was the Anastasia liquid lipstick set. And if you can't tell, I love sets. I just love it. I feel like it's where you get the most bang for your buck. Like you get to try more products, you know, you feel me? I'm that type of person. I want more products to try because I mean, you could get something you could not like it, okay? So the more I can get, the better. So I got this. And I have tried one of these before, but I believe my mom has it and I'm not about to ask for it back. So it's just like, let's buy more. And I saw that they had this and I thought it was cute because I think everything that's mini is cute. And these are colors that I would actually wear. So yeah, I got that. And that is it for this Sephora haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to see a review on first. Let me know, because I know the Sephora VIB sale started. Let me know if you guys, what you guys are getting. Let me know if I should get anything, if you want to see me try anything, because I'm definitely filling up my cart right now. I'm about to purchase. And that is it for this video. I feel like I said that already. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time. Bye, guys.